Today's class is pronunciation, weak form, the schwa. Here is a pronunciation chart with all the sounds of English. And today we're looking at the schwa, this symbol, and the key word is America. America. And the individual sound is America. The weak form sound is the most common sound in English and is always used in spoken connected speech. It is often in unstressed syllables and unstressed words. For example, doctor is pronounced doctor. Man and postman is pronounced postman. I'm going to go to the cinema tonight in the weak form is I'm going to go to the cinema tonight. And in many words in English, for example, psychological is pronounced psychological. It is important to learn the weak sound to help you understand fast-spoken English and speak more fluently. Okay, here we go. Some individual words where we often use the weak form. So, and becomes un. So fish and chips becomes fish and chips. And a chair and a table becomes a chair and a table. Can becomes kun. So she can speak Spanish better than I can would be she can speak Spanish better than I can. She can speak is the weak form. Of becomes of. So a pint of beer becomes a pint of beer. And that's the last of the wine becomes that's the last of the wine. Have becomes have. So have you finished? Yes, I have becomes have you finished? Have you finished? Yes, I have. The full form in the reply. Should becomes should. So, well, you should have told me becomes well, you should have told me. Should have told me. Okay, this is your turn. Please pause this slide and go down through each sentence practicing the weak form. Okay, here are the answers. So, it's for you becomes it's for you. It takes a lot of time becomes it takes a lot of time. How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? What time will you arrive at Victoria? What time will you arrive at Victoria? I was going to tell you. I was going to tell you. The leisure centre is closed for a private function. The leisure centre is closed for a private function. The airport is not far from the capital city. The airport's not far from the capital city. Notice we contract in fast-spoken language. The airport's not far from the capital city. The book is about pronunciation. The book's about pronunciation. The book's about pronunciation. 10. We need more financial support. We need more financial support. You need to pay attention all the time. You need to pay attention all the time. And finally, it is a very thorough report. It's a very thorough report. It's a very thorough report. Okay. Also, auxiliary forms are often used as weak forms because they're usually unstressed. So instead of was, it becomes was. Was he there last night? Was he there last night? Was he there last night? Were becomes were. They were in the library all day. They were in the library all day. They were in the library all day. Do becomes the. Do you know the name of the book? Becomes do you know the name of the book? Do you know the name of the book? Does becomes does. So what does he do becomes what does he do? What does he do? Has becomes has. So has he been to see you becomes has he been to see you? Has he been to see you? And notice been becomes been. Has he been to see you? Has he been to see you?